Everyone, Kia of Saskatoon here with another trade that just hit the lot not too long ago. A 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander GT, complete with third row seats. It has power lift gate as well. Check out how good this looks. As you can see, it has a limited badge on there. This thing is beautiful inside and out. It's got a V6 engine. See if we can hop in on this side here. Top in and see what we got. We got a lot of cool stuff here. As you can see, it's got the nice accents there. It almost looks like carbon fiber. You got heated front seats, leather seats. Also got this fancy all-wheel drive system here if you want to take a look at that. You got backup camera and there's much more. This even has remote start, sunroof. Oh, this thing is amazing with a crazy sound system, as you can see there. There you go. This is a brand that you definitely have to respect in the speaker business. Unbelievable sound quality. So come on down to Kia of Saskatoon, ask one of our experts about this vehicle. They'll be able to answer all your questions. And of course, make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel.